Fractions on a number line. Understanding the number line. A number line is a line with numbers placed at equal distances. It starts from 0 and goes up to other whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. Kid-friendly explanation, number line. A number line is like a path with numbers placed evenly along it. We use it to help see where numbers are in order. Picture example, number line. Draw a straight line with numbers marked from 0 to 5 at equal distances. Introducing fractions on the number line. A fraction represents a part of a whole, and it has two parts. The numerator, top number, shows how many parts we have. The denominator, bottom number, shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Kid-friendly explanation, fractions on the number line. Fractions show how many parts out of a whole we have. On the number line, fractions are like stops between whole numbers. Example for kids, fractions on the number line. If we have the fraction 1, 2, the 2 means our path, between 0 and 1, is divided into two parts, and we stop at the first part, 1. Dividing the number line into equal parts. To place fractions on a number line, we first divide the space between whole numbers into equal parts. Dividing the number line into equal parts. Example with 1, 2. Draw a number line from 0 to 1. Since the denominator is 2, divide the line into two equal parts. Mark 1, 2 halfway between 0 and 1. Dividing the number line into equal parts. Picture example. Draw a number line from 0 to 1, then divide it into two equal parts and label the halfway point as 1, 2. Placing simple fractions on the number line. Now, let's place fractions like 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, and 3, 4 on the number line. Example with thirds, denominator 3, 1, draw a number line from 0 to 1. 2, since the denominator is 3, divide the line between 0 and 1 into three equal parts. 3, label each point. The first point after 0 is 1, 3. The second point is 2, 3. The last point reaches 1, which is 3, 3. Placing simple fractions on the number line. Picture example. Show a number line from 0 to 1 divided into three equal sections, labeling each section as 1, 3, 2, 3, and 1. Placing fractions greater than 1 on the number line. Fractions can also be placed beyond 1 on the number line. For example, 3, 2 is more than 1 because it equals 1 whole and 1, 2 extra. Example with 3, 2. Draw a number line from 0 to 2. Divide the section between each whole number, like 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, into two equal parts. Mark 2, 1 halfway between 0 and 1. 2, 2 is the same as 1, 2, 3 is halfway between 1 and 2. Placing fractions greater than 1 on the number line. Picture example. Draw a number line from 0 to 2 and divide each section in half, labeling 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, and 2.